Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an oxygen tank. First, prioritize safety for yourself and your patient. Always begin by inspecting the oxygen tank for any signs of damage or leaks. It's crucial to confirm the tank's hydrostatic test date is current and that there is enough oxygen for the entire transport. These initial steps are vital for safe and effective oxygen delivery. Next, we'll attach the regulator. Begin by briefly opening or cracking the tank valve to clear any dust or debris from the port. Then, carefully align the regulator's two pins with the corresponding holes on the tank's valve. Once aligned, hand tighten the T-handle screw firmly to secure the regulator. This ensures a tight seal, preventing any oxygen from leaking out. Now, let's check for leaks and set the flow. Slowly open the tank valve by turning it counterclockwise, usually one full turn. Observe the pressure gauge to confirm there is adequate oxygen. Listen and feel for any hissing sounds or air movement around the regulator seal, indicating a leak. Finally, adjust the flow meter to the specific oxygen delivery rate prescribed for your patient. For our final step, connect the delivery device. Securely attach the chosen oxygen delivery device, such as a nasal cannula or non-rebreather mask, to the flow meter's port. Confirm that oxygen is visibly flowing through the device. Then, carefully place the delivery device on the patient as indicated by their condition. Continuously monitor the patient's response and oxygen saturation levels throughout transport.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.